When the cow starts moving up the fence, I'm gonna let Trixie track. I'm gonna use my cow side leg to track her out off of this cow, getting this cow's eye. There, she got a little distracted there with some excitement that's going on with another horse there, completely unrelated. So I'm just going right at this cow's eye, trying to use a loose rein. The cow stopped, she stopped, so I'm going to let her rest right there. Up the fence. We get the cow lined out. We're going to 2-track over. I'm applying my cow side leg. I'm pushing my horse over. You see that? We call that 2-tracking. Now the reason that I wanted to, oh, that was outstanding right there. The reason I want a 2-track right here is because I don't want to use my rein to pull my horse's nose away from the cow. I want my horse to stay straight, okay? And so I use my cow side leg to push her over to get out here to get in this cow's eye to where we can stop it. And then when we stop the cow, we just chill and rest. Now she's distracted by other stuff that's going on. I'm just going to let her sit here for a minute. You can see she's not cowed up enough that where she just won't take her mind off that cow. So that's going to take some time to develop, but you'll see that develop. You'll see as she really starts to cow up, she'll stop right here and she'll keep 2 ears and 2 eyes on that cow. And she won't be looking around like she is right now, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw her back. I'm going to put her right back on this cow.